Hey friends, here we're gonna draw a Santa donut.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
Friends.
Yeah, friends like you. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start with our Santa donut's beard. We're going to draw a mustache first. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes out to the left, and also a curve coming out to the right. Now let's draw the top of our Santa's mustache. We're going to draw an S curve. So I'm going to curve up really high, and then we're going to come back down and then curve up. Then we could draw his mouth. Then we're going to draw his beard, and we're going to come out to the side on both sides with a curve. Then we can draw a little zigzag coming up on both sides, and then we'll draw another curve coming down further. Then we're going to do that one more time, little zigzag on each side, and then we're going to draw a curve coming to the middle with a point, and then connect to the other side to finish the beard. Nice. I like how your beard is a little bit longer, and it's perfect that our two drawings look a little different. They're both turning out awesome, and that's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. All right, let's keep going. Now let's draw our Santa's eyes. I'm going to draw a circle here on the left and a matching circle on the right. And we can do our usual highlights where we draw a little small circle in the top left and then color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white. And if we go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. Now we have our Santa face, we're missing our donut. Let's draw the center donut hole first. I'm gonna start below the mouth, and we're gonna draw the circle coming around, and instead of a bowl full of jelly, what is it? The belly?
Sure.
Belly,
Yeah.
that's a bowl full of jelly. I don't know how that goes. Our donut has a hole for the belly. Now let's draw the outside circle, and it's gonna be really big. So we're gonna start here, and we're gonna try to trace around the center of our donut hole. See how far I went down? Because it's really thick at the top for the eyes and face. I'm gonna finish and connect. Yes, there you go. Nice job. Okay, there's our Santa donut, except we gotta add more stuff, like his pants. Let's start with his belt. I'm gonna turn it sideways so I could draw a big line. Then we're gonna draw a line that comes right under the donut hole in the middle of our donut. Then let's draw another one for the bottom of the belt. I'm gonna turn my paper again so I can pull this line. Squeaky marker. Then we can draw the belt buckle right here in the middle. I'm gonna draw two lines down. And then we can also add a little rectangle shape inside of that. Then let's also draw the bottom of our Santa's, I don't know, pants, or maybe it's his jacket, but I'm gonna draw two more lines for a decoration down here at the bottom. This could be white.
Okay.
Now let's also give him his hat. I'm gonna start here, and we'll draw a bumpy line that comes up. Then we're gonna come across, and we're kind of drawing his Santa hat off to the side. So I'm not gonna go all the way over here to match. I want it tipped. Now let's draw our Santa hat. I'm gonna draw a curve here. Then we're gonna start way over here, and we're gonna draw it tipping over the side and coming down. And then we can draw it coming back up and connecting. And then we're gonna draw a circle for the end of our Santa hat. Next, let's draw our Santa legs. I'm gonna draw two lines coming down for each leg. And then let's draw the white fluffy stuff at the bottom of his pant legs.
That leg got really skinny.
That's okay. One leg skinnier than the other, and then you can connect it. And then let's draw the white at the bottom of his pants, Santa pants. Then we're going to draw his boots. We're going to draw his heels first. So we'll draw a short line coming down on the inside of each leg. And then we're going to draw a short line on the outside. And then we're going to draw his toes sticking out to the left and out to the right on the other side. Then let's connect the bottom of his boots from the heel to the toes. And then we can also let's draw another layer for the bottom of his boots for the soles. Now we're ready to draw his arms. Let's start here, and we're going to draw an arm coming down. And then we can connect it at the bottom. And then this is his sleeve. And we could draw the same kind of white little detail that we drew at the bottom of his pants. Then let's draw his hands, or his mittens. So we got a little thumb. And then we're going to draw a bigger U shape to finish the rest of his hand. Okay, let's draw his other arm coming up. He could be waving and saying, "Merry Christmas." Let's connect those, and then also draw the white at the end of his sleeve. And then the thumb we'll draw on this side, a little U shape, upside down U shape, and then a big upside down U shape for the rest of his hand or mitten. What are we missing?
The frosting on the donut.
Yeah, I mean, we could add whatever we want. Like you could add sprinkles or maybe gumdrops. You could draw candy canes. Let's draw the frosting first. I'm going to draw a wiggly line that comes around, and I'm going to go into the belt, and then I'm going to come out on this side and around and up to the top. And then I'm going to add toppings or sprinkles. I don't know what these are. Maybe they're little gumdrops, big gumdrops. And you could change these. You could add different toppings like sprinkle shapes or maybe no toppings. You could just do stripes or different colors. And we did it. We finished drawing our Santa donut, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our Santa donuts, and they turned out really cool. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Me too. And I hope our friends will pause the video to take time and color their drawings also. You can match our same coloring.
Or you could color it differently.
Yeah, you could also add a background to complete your drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Santa donut.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.